Hello everyone! I would like to present to you the performance requirements for teachers. We proceed to Teacher 2. At least 6 proficient classroom observable indicator or COI at very satisfactory, and at least 4 proficient non-classroom observable indicator or NCOI at very satisfactory. For Teacher 3, at least 12 proficient COIs at very satisfactory and 8 proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory. For Teacher 4, it's 21 proficient COIs at very satisfactory and at least 16 proficient NCOIs at very satisfactory. For Teacher 5, it's 6 proficient COIs at outstanding and at least 4 proficient NCOIs at outstanding. Watch for my next video for the performance requirements of teachers and master teachers.